So, we just finished shooting a brake video. We're finishing up the brakes on the Hardbody. We're done with that. We just got to replace the, I think the front brake lines. But anyways, that's not what this video is about. We just finished that video, but we're making this video. We try not to mix too many videos up, because we like for y'all to be able to find stuff. You know, if y'all looking for brake stuff, we do a brake video. If you're looking for oil pan modification stuff, we do this video. This, friends, is an oil pickup on a KA24E. Is this the DE oil pickup?
No, this is the truck one.
Okay.
So the car is okay. So
Long story. When everybody backs up, when somebody backs up and they go, okay, all right, here we go.
We have a Hardbody. This is a 240 motor. So the big question is, how do you fit a 240 motor in a Hardbody? This is us making a 240 motor fit in a Hardbody. So this is the Hardbody pickup, because the Hardbody's rear sump, 240's front sump. We have a Hardbody pan that we have modified, and we'll go over that and why you have to do that. But right now I gotta get this bolted on.
So, in effort to get this pickup in here, we have to modify this mount, because the 240 pickup mounts here typically, right?
No, the Hardbody mount there.
The Hardbody mounts here, but
Yeah,
this is a 240 girdle, right?
Yeah.
So the 240 one normally mounts here.
It actually mounts up here because it's front sump. But
Oh.
this spot back here, rear sump, so that's what we're going to do
Interesting.
our best to make fit.
Okay, so we're gonna take this bracket and modify it in some way to make it fit here.
Yeah.
That's what we're working on.
Yep.
That's what Ronnie's working on, what I'm shooting.
So I'm trying to figure out how to do this, because this has relief for the pickup tube.
Okay.
This side has none.
Oh.
So we got to figure out how to get it through here. as
Hammer.
well, you know, so like we stick that it doesn't fit. So we have to figure out how to make that reach to over here.
Okay.
So if we have to cut some of this out, we can cut some of this out. That's the beauty of having the tools that we have. We can make this fit. So basically I just need to know where this bolts and where our mount is, so we can cut out what we need to cut out here.
Okay. Well, let's get that done. And Carissa will be over here feeding the baby.
So I want to cut this off, this part of the arm, and maybe reuse it, or maybe just build a piece to go here that can stay real low and then come up and over to that. You know, because if it stays real low, as long as when the motor, we're going to have to turn the motor to make sure we can clear this.
Yeah.
As long as it stays low enough, it can come and get welded to this.
Okay. Awesome. You gonna make a cardboard piece
Yeah,
first?
I got my cardboard.
Nice. We're just gonna leave it cardboard.
So I was thinking of something like that.
Do you need this polar bear?
I do. Let me see that. That right there. I should have designed this the opposite way. So, folds here. It goes down like that.
I'm getting hungry. I'm not hungry.
There's a speed square.
Speed square.
Over there.
Speed square. 1 second, buddy.
What, buddy?
I'm in the mud.
You want to play in the mud? Play in the mud?
Dude, me too.
Yeah.
Take 2.
Segments of video that show our like fabrication stuff that we do.
I just think it's crazy that we went from like such simple tools, and in 2 years, like now we can almost make anything we want. I think that's the coolest thing ever.
It is pretty awesome.
You know what I mean?
We still can't weld aluminum though.
No lie. He ain't lying. Something is hitting somewhere on this. Probably because of how long it is.
I bet it's hitting right on this corner right here.
Actually, it fits almost there. It's hitting here.
Okay.
Hitting right here, but yes, we can definitely shorten this up
Okay.
because the hole is here. So as long as that kind of covers that, that'll be enough meat.
Yeah. We can take a lot of this extra off of it.
Yeah. So
All right, where we at?
So we got the bracket made up, and we put this bolt in here just to hold it in place so we can start getting it to fit. So we ended up having to cut quite a bit out here because this edge was too far. So if we could have made it more like over here
More
and
slender.
then come down and then this way,
Yeah.
it would have been better, but we cut this out, no big deal. I'm just gonna have to get in here a little bit, clean it up, then it'll be fine. So now we just gotta mark where this is gonna go and then tack this onto here and we're done.
Sweet.
So yeah, this is the hard part. If you do it yourself, if you send it to somebody else, I mean, this is probably the hard part. You can see we had it all welded up all around here. Yeah, fun stuff.
It's crazy how much work goes into making a simple bracket like this, even when you have the right tools. So we're all done. We put it on the motor, it fits. That's all we need. It looks good, it's nice and clean, and it's sturdy. Dude, it's super solid.
We shouldn't have any problems.
Mama, that's mud.
Bam.
Right on.
How to put a 240 motor in a Hardbody. So what we did, recap.
Recap.
We took it to Paul, because I don't know if we actually talked about this in depth. We took it to Paul, and what he did is he cut the pan here, and then all the way across, and then bent this flap up 3/4 of an inch, and then put a piece of sheet metal in there, welded it up.
Because it didn't clear the girdle.
Because it didn't clear the girdle.
Okay.
This pan will hit here, and it won't allow it to go down. It'll sit like that. And it's only from here to here, because this part's real low. So we modified that. You can go a little more if you want. You can probably go about an inch here, but 3/4 worked. Then we obviously put in our turbo return, but that's just for us. We built this bracket, which is just, what do we figure, about 12 gauge steel.
Yeah, something like that.
We cut the original one that went to here. We bent it straight, cut it off, and then we bent this, welded it on here, and it's super solid. And then we cut this out.
Yeah, we had to cut this out. We explained it before, but it was just because of the shape of this.
Yeah.
If you
Come more this
made
way.
it maybe a little more slender or brought it more this way,
Yeah,
like
it
it
would
would
work.
probably fit.
If you had a tab that went like this, and then it went up, and then it went over, you wouldn't have an issue. We kept hitting here. Yeah, that's it.
Dude,
We
that's
made our
it.
thing.
Nice.
Now we can put our 240 motor in our Hardbody.
Yep. Two more steps closer.
2 more steps closer.
Yep.
So
So good luck with your build. If you end up doing this, dude, shoot us some pictures or some video or something. Because if you do it different, let us see how you did it. Because we're always open to new ideas.
Yeah, we want to see.
Yeah, dude.
We don't exactly know what we're doing. We're just kind of out here making stuff work.
We're just making it up.
Yep.
But yeah, hopefully we'll have this run for y'all in, I don't know, a couple months, all tuned and fast.
Let's hope.
All right, we'll see y'all.
Bye, guys.
Bye.